The ministry is now preparing for the 5th staging of National Mathematics Week. And this week the week will be celebrated April 15 to 20 under the theme of the Math Public Education campaign, Math Counts. Activities for the week will include the church service on the 15th of April at 9 a.m. at the Life Center Tabernacle, Church of God of Prophecy in Spanish Town. The week's activities will be launched on Monday the 16th at the Knowledge and Innovation Lecture Theatre at the University of the Commonwealth Caribbean. In an effort to take the activities outside of the corporate area, the ministry will facilitate a mathematics roadshow in the Neville Antonia Park in Port Antonio on the 17th of April, and that will be held under the theme Math in Your World. And so activities during that event will be designed to engage members of the general public to identify areas in their everyday life where they are using mathematics. We will again engage the services of educators in designing apps that will be built around a scavenger hunt designed based on the area the park is held in, and so persons will be able to participate in that activity as well. The National Mathematics Expo, which is the main event for National Mathematics Week, will be held on the campus of the University of the West Indies on the 19th of April between 9 a.m. and 4 p.m. The expo is designed to provide students, teachers, and parents with an opportunity to interface with math in its real-world application. We have more than 45 exhibitors this year. Exhibitors will have an opportunity to demonstrate how mathematics applies to either their profession or their organization or the industry in which they function. The ministry, with the teacher training institutions, will also mount concept-based booths, and they will provide an opportunity for students to interface with the ideas and the principles in a much more fun and engaging way. So there will be a lot of games and practical activities for the students to do. The day begins at 9. Booths will be available for viewing from that time up until 4 p.m. And between 12:30 and 2 p.m. there'll be a math extravaganza where students and schools will have an opportunity to enter the poetry or the cultural pieces built around the theme Math Counts. There'll be prizes available for the most outstanding pieces. Students will also be able to participate in a similar scavenger hunt, but this app will be built around the campus, the University of the West Indies campus, and so that activity will take place throughout the day. And they will also have an opportunity to take scheduled bus and walk-in tours of the university campus. Face painting is also another one of the activities we have for the day. The expo is ideally designed for students in grades 4 to 13, and the ministry continues to encourage our schools to ensure that the student-teacher ratio, which will secure the safety of our students, is maintained. On Friday, we encourage schools and the respective regions to facilitate their own activities to place emphasis on the theme.